Today's video is going to be all about Audifort ingredients, and we'll go through an in-depth breakdown of what's inside this supplement. If you've been curious about how Audifort works and what exactly makes up its formula, you'll get a clear and detailed explanation in this video, based on the official ingredient composition and how each component is intended to support ear and auditory health. Before we dive into the breakdown, if you're already considering trying Audifort for yourself, you can check the special discount link below in the description. Now, Audifort is a dietary supplement formulated to support hearing health and overall auditory function. It is also commonly used by individuals who are dealing with ear discomfort or persistent ringing in the ears, often referred to as tinnitus. The formula is designed with natural, plant-based compounds that aim to support circulation, nerve signaling, and antioxidant protection within the auditory system. While results can vary from person to person, the overall goal of Audifort is to provide a supportive environment for long-term ear health and cognitive clarity. In recent months, Audifort has experienced strong and sustained demand, which has led to multiple periods where availability has been temporarily limited. Because of this ongoing interest, it is generally recommended to check the link in the description before going through the full ingredient breakdown. This helps confirm whether the product is currently in stock and what options are available, since supply levels can change without notice depending on demand and production cycles. Now, let's go into the Audifort ingredients explained in detail, based on the official formulation provided by the manufacturer. It's also worth noting that while some third-party sources online list variations of the formula, this analysis is focused specifically on the verified ingredient list used in the official product. The first key ingredient is maca root. Maca is a well-known adaptogenic plant that has traditionally been used for energy, stamina, and hormonal balance. In the context of Audifort, maca root is associated with supporting blood flow and circulation, including to the inner ear. Improved circulation is often considered important for delivering oxygen and nutrients to auditory structures. Additionally, maca may help reduce stress levels, and since stress is often linked to tinnitus symptoms, this indirect support is one of the reasons it is included in the formula. Next is grapeseed extract. This ingredient is rich in antioxidants, particularly compounds known for protecting cells from oxidative stress. In simple terms, oxidative stress can contribute to cellular damage over time, including in delicate ear structures. Grapeseed extract is often associated with supporting vascular health and improving microcirculation, which may help maintain healthy blood flow in the auditory system. Its antioxidant properties are also considered important for protecting ear cells from environmental and age-related stress factors. The third ingredient is green tea extract. Green tea is widely recognized for its polyphenols, which are natural compounds that support antioxidant activity in the body. Within Audifort, green tea is included for its potential role in supporting cellular protection and healthy circulation. Some research also links green tea compounds to overall brain and nerve health, which is relevant because hearing function is closely connected to how the brain processes sound signals. Next, we have capsicum annuum, which is derived from chili pepper plants. This ingredient is often associated with supporting circulation and promoting a healthy inflammatory response. In the context of ear health, improved blood flow and balanced inflammation may help support the environment needed for proper auditory function. Capsicum is also commonly used in natural wellness formulas for its warming and circulation-enhancing properties. Another important ingredient is Gymnema sylvestre. This plant has a long history of use in traditional herbal practices, particularly in metabolic and nerve-related support. In Audifort, Gymnema sylvestre is included for its potential role in supporting nerve function and overall metabolic balance. Since auditory processing depends on proper nerve signaling between the ears and the brain, maintaining healthy nerve function is considered an important aspect of hearing support. Finally, there is GABA, or gamma-aminobutyric acid. GABA is a naturally occurring neurotransmitter in the human body that is associated with calming neural activity. In simpler terms, it plays a role in helping the nervous system stay balanced and relaxed. In relation to auditory health, GABA is often discussed in connection with reducing overstimulation in the brain, which may be relevant for individuals experiencing tinnitus or sound sensitivity. A more relaxed nervous system can also contribute to better sleep and reduced stress, both of which are important factors in overall well-being. When looking at Audifort ingredients as a whole, the formula is built around a combination of antioxidants, plant extracts, and neurosupportive compounds. The overall intention of this blend is to support circulation, protect against oxidative stress, and promote balanced nerve activity related to hearing function. It is also important to mention that while different websites and sources sometimes list additional or slightly different ingredients, the list covered in this video is based on the official formulation provided by the manufacturer. This helps ensure clarity and consistency when understanding what is actually inside the product. Overall, Audifort presents a multi-ingredient approach focused on auditory wellness, combining traditional herbal components with compounds that support circulation and nervous system balance. If you are curious to try Audifort for yourself, or if you want to check the most up-to-date availability, you can use the special discount link below in the description. While individual experiences can vary, the ingredient profile is designed to address multiple aspects related to hearing health and tinnitus support in a natural way.